Dallas Wien's face was burned away when he hit a power line while painting a church 2 years ago. The devastating accident also left him blind. He underwent 24 reconstructive surgeries. Doctors transferred skin and muscles from his back and thighs onto his skull. But he's still without lips, cheeks, or a nose. Now he's on a waiting list for a face transplant and a chance to regain some of what he lost.
I do miss my sight, but I miss the sensation of my face and my sense of smell, mostly.
If a donor is found, which could take months, Wiens would be only the third person in the U.S. to undergo a face transplant.
I'm a little nervous, as you can expect with any major procedure like this.
Yeah.
But I am extremely excited over the possibility of just having a normal life back.
The doctor who operated on Wien said it was one of the most devastating injuries he'd ever seen.
The fact that we're sitting here today talking about Dallas and being listed as a possible candidate for a face transplantation is nothing short of a miracle in my book.
He thinks Wiens is a perfect candidate to undergo the innovative procedure.
He's young, he's otherwise healthy, he's made it through no less 22 surgeries at this point. He's done remarkably well, and although certainly things could happen no matter what type of surgery he gets, he's really as strong of a candidate as what one could hope for.
The federal health care law helped Wiens overcome a huge financial hurdle by allowing the 25-year-old to be covered under his father's insurance. Brian Thomas, The Associated Press.